Hello, I'm Rob Buckland, owner of Insight Surveys, and thank you for joining me today. In this brief video, you'll learn about the values of surveys today, not just as a research instrument, but as a powerful communications tool.
We're experts in research services. Insight Surveys has been in business for over 12 years, providing research services in the United States and Canada. We've developed innovative survey solutions that really deliver the insight you need to make better business decisions. Here's just a few of our satisfied customers. We also deliver affordable research, because many organizations find themselves trying to decide between spending large amounts with market research firms or trying to do their own research without really the best technology or training or the time to learn to use it. And today the value of data is ever increasing. That's why research is changing. Now more than ever, business executives need to know their customers' perspectives. Accurate, actionable survey data is key to understanding, anticipating, and fulfilling the ever-changing needs of customers. So surveys can be a GPS for your business. A GPS is all about real-time data, where you are in relation to where you want to go. Analog traditional paper maps become out of date in just a few years, but with GPS, you know exactly where you are, even as conditions change. Definitely then, the GPS is the way to go. So let's say we are off to a new cafe we've never been to before, and we plug in our coordinates and take off. You arrive at the cafe via your GPS. Sadly, in this illustration, the cafe owner didn't conduct an inexpensive survey to find out if his customers would support an outdoor patio. So surveys don't cost, they actually pay. We create dynamic, engaging surveys. We'll custom design and brand your survey to reflect your organizational style in the questionnaire and any email invitations. We'll use interactive controls to increase response rate and make your survey stand out with sliders and clickable images. We have responsive questionnaires in that we tailor the respondent experience using dynamic features such as routing, masking, text substitution, and even in-survey calculations. Now here's some examples of the custom branded questionnaires. We create questionnaires that perfectly complement your organization's brand, using your company's style guide, logo, colors, and so forth. Even custom navigation buttons, tick boxes, and progress bars. Let's talk about interactive questions. We use interactive questions that make the survey more engaging and can increase response rates. We've developed a range of interactive questions, for example, image mapping. We also can include multimedia content such as audio and video. Here's an example of a 5-star rating system. Rather than using radio buttons, they can simply roll over the number of stars they want to choose. And isn't it easier to remember a person's face than their name sometimes? So that's why we have their clickable picture for this survey. And then finally, we have a picture of the US map. And if you're from Minnesota, you would just simply click on that rather than a long list of states in a drop-down. Moving on to responsive questionnaires. What that means is we can deliver a unique survey for each participant with our range of responsive design features. We can feed information from your database to any part of the questionnaire, meaning we can personalize welcome messages or keep your database up to date with new or changed personal information. Now here's an example of a personalized survey with the data being fed from a database, so the respondent has a chance to make any necessary changes and the client has an updated database at the end of the survey. Now on the right side, we have an example of conditional branching when the person clicked overall quality of work we was very dissatisfied with. Notice a text box appears, and then they can type in whatever information that they deem necessary, why they're dissatisfied, and then an email alert is triggered instantly, and it goes right to management, and they can handle the problem. Also notice too that we can have the client upload any type of photo or any kind of file, PDF, document, Excel, spreadsheet, what have you, as part of their case. And of course we can send out surveys in any format, online surveys that are managed to your schedule, sending out branded email invitations, reminders, and so forth. Could be linked in from your Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn. Then of course we have paper surveys with scanning. It's not just a printed copy of the web version, it's actually a scannable version that we can retrieve the results from. And of course mobile surveys that can reach everyone, even in Wi-Fi dead spots. And of course these mobile surveys can run on Apple devices, iPhones, iPads, Android devices, and Windows smartphones and tablets and kiosks. Of course, security is a priority, so we deliver secure surveys using our powerful survey management and analysis system. We allocate secure logins for your respondents, as well as schedule the automatic invites and reminders. We mentioned scanning earlier, so we can design paper questionnaires that accurately collect replies and speed up the data processing. We can even pre-print unique IDs on each paper survey so they could be sorted later. Notice the altered or crossed out replies are easily recognized automatically. We can use routing instructions on even the paper survey to work just like a web survey. And of course the system supports OMR, OCR, and ICR, which are optical marking recognition, optical character recognition, and intelligent character recognition is all supported. Some of our clients want mobile surveys, such as an intercept survey where the data is captured instantly and encrypted, works even in Wi-Fi dead spots with all devices, Apple, Android, and Windows, and smartphones as well as kiosks. Using our mobile technology, we can remotely upload surveys to the devices and automatically synchronize the data with the server. We can auto-reset questionnaires to start new surveys. View interview statistics such as time and duration in real time. View customized questionnaire and summary reports with one click. More on the summary reporting now. You'll see all your results with one chart very quickly that will have a bar chart that's labeled, and all the text questions are all listed as well. So with one simple PDF chart, you can see the summary values of your entire survey. Far beyond the simple web reporting, we have powerful back-end tools that can help you really understand and uncover trends from your analysis, such as applying weights and mean scores, and z-tests and factor and cluster analysis. We're going to provide in-depth, clear analysis to benefit fully from the time and effort invested in collecting the replies. Here you can see a couple different bar charts, one with very good or good results, and the other one is a stacked bar chart that shows the entire question and all its values, making up 100% of the replies for each question. And beyond the quantitative results we just saw, we can do qualitative results on the free text that was typed into the survey. Using word clouds, they're a great way to summarize the free text replies. The larger the text, the more often that word would appear in the survey results. And you can see in this top chart, we're even breaking it up by gender. Below it, we see the exact same free text questions provided in a linear format. And finally, let's conclude the analysis with table analysis Data tables are often the starting point for analysis, and here's multiple questions that are analyzed in a single summary with a cross tab showing both counts and percents. You can see the questions there as well as how they answered by gender and age. Beneath that, you'll see a Likert example question with mean scores or the average scores. So our service really closes the loop. We bridge the research gap between your organization and your customers or employees.
In summary then, surveys are a powerful communications tool, like a GPS that can help position your company in a fast-changing world. And as the name says, we bring both insight and perspective about your customers and our employees with complete research services at very affordable prices. So please contact one of our sales representatives for a free quote on your next survey project. Thanks for watching.